Alright guys, we're back with a banger of a video. Today we have a little treat that I picked up at Tesco. They are bird's eye American style gravy loaded burgers. They look to be another gimmick product, and I figured we'd see if they are worthy gimmick or not. Let's get a closer look. They claim to be new, and there's a number of warnings on there about the hot sauce filling. Bird's Eye Chicken Shop American style gravy loaded burgers. Serving suggestion. There is the traffic light system. Each burger will set you back 262 calories. We've got 2 ambers, 2 greens. Flipping this over, there's a fair amount of just worthless information really on the back of the box. You can have a read if you want. Cooking instructions. Well, again, that caution about the hot gravy inside of it. Cooking instructions, fairly simple. Fan 180, 25 minutes. It does say, oddly enough, product is not suitable for air fry due to saucy center. Right, ingredients. We're looking at 51% chicken breast, and there is the rest of it. There is the full nutritional information for the folks that want it. Right, as I said, these seem to be a bit of a gimmick product. Let's have a look at what they are. Was a little press to open tab on the box there. This is our chicken burger. It seems to be well coated, and I'm guessing it's not it's a nice thickness, but it's not circumference wise, it's not the biggest burger I've seen. But then again, we've had a lot worse on this channel. So right, I'm going to get these into the air fryer, although that's the instructions say not to do that. I know better. Yeah, and I'll get back to you guys when we're ready for some eating. Right, folks, we have our finished product fresh out the air fryer. Let's get a closer look at this bad boy. It's got a nice crisp feel to it. I'll give it that much. The coating has crisped up nicely. There is the bottom of it. It's crumbs are coming off. Let's give this thing a cut open and see what we have on the inside. I guess there is our gravy, right? Would like to have seen a little more than that, to be honest. But yeah, I guess what really matters is what it tastes like. So let's get in there and have a taste of this bad boy. Oh my word, that is gorgeous. Well, that has got a lot of flavor to it. I quite like that. One criticism, there's just not enough gravy. The chicken is delicious. Cooked perfectly through. The coating's got a nice crunch to it when you bite it. It's quite nicely seasoned. The gravy inside there is spectacular. that gravy is delicious. There's just simply not enough of it. Let's I have turned it into a little bit of a burger. We've got a brioche bun. If I pop the top off, there's like a tiny sprinkling of burger sauce. Then our chicken gravy loaded patty. We've got some pickles, we've got some lettuce, nice fresh brioche bun. Let's see how it hits in its burger form. Oh, it makes a good burger. Again, it would be nice if there was more gravy there. I end up with all the gravy in my beard. I should have seen that coming, right? So yeah, a bit of a gimmick product. Beautiful chicken, without a doubt. A lot of flavor in there, nicely seasoned. Makes a brilliant burger. Just wishing it had a little more gravy on it, or in it. Maybe if they had the gravy in like a sachet separately that you could pour over, you know, there could be more of it that way, I presume. Nonetheless, a fun little product, a lot of flavor. I tend to find, I've never really had a bad experience from Bird's Eye before. Their products seem to be fairly good. Even though the box said not suitable for air frying, you know, if you, I don't know how to say this without sounding like I'm bragging, but if you have air fryer skills on the level that I have them, you can get away with it, right? The air fryer's done a good job of it. As I said, gorgeous flavor in there. A nice, the gravy is delicious. That is a really nice gravy inside there. Only criticism would be that it needs more gravy. With that said, I'm going to give it a 4-star rating. I think it's worth, it could be 5 stars if it was smothered in gravy. That's really its weakness. If it didn't have the gravy at all, it would still be a decent chicken patty. Without a doubt, it would still be a decent chicken patty. The gimmick is relying on it being gravy loaded. It's not quite loaded. Gravy in there is delicious, just needs to be more of it. So 4-star experience. Not too bad, £3.75 for 2, given how flavorful they are. Yeah, I quite like that. Anyway, with that said, as usual, I'm over talking it, so I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.